welcome again to Ashi's Book Club. So you already know what I'm doing in this channel, so no further explanation. Let's see what we've got today. It's an introduction to two series. So in this side we have The Adventures of Tintin by Herge, and on this side we have Asterix series by R. Goscinny and A. Undersell. So what are we gonna start with? Both of these are comic series, so start with the minimalism. Push you to the other side. Bye! Okay. So here we have 9 books. Let's start with them. First we have Asterix and the Sun. Open up, open up, open up. Just show you some pictures of inside. Okay. Keep it up there. Asterix and Cleopatra. Asterix and the Chieftain's Shield. Asterix and the Legionary. So, here we go inside to check out the map of Gaul and Rome. Get up there. And Asterix in Britain. What we've got here, Asterix and the Normans. In this book, let's check up for the characters. First we have Asterix, the hero of these adventures, a shrewd, cunning little warrior. All perilous missions are immediately entrusted to him. Asterix gets his superhuman strength from the magic potion brewed by the druid Getafix. Obelix, Asterix's inseparable friend. Getafix, the venerable village druid. Cacophonix, the bard. Finally, we tell Statistics, the chief of the tribe. Okay, hard pronunciation, I know. Here we have the characters on this page. Asterix and the magic carpet. Asterix and the secret weapon. Last but not least, Asterix and the Great Divide. Here are some more books of the series, so this is all I've collected. 9 books. Okay, this thing is totally heavy, so I can guess how much those more than 20 books are heavy. Okay. Keep you guys here. Bye! Okay. Hello, Adventures of Tintin, come back here. Let's start. Figures of the Pharaoh. Quick point. So all these were first by me. I don't know about you, but for me, all these were first TV shows, cartoons, and movie. But after I got the books, I started reading them, and so not much of a difference. But I like the cartoons better because, like, you watch it and then you read the books and like, cool. Red Rackham's Treasure. Prisoners of the Sun. So this is the first book. The Blue Lotus. The Shooting Star. The 7 Crystal Balls. The Castafiore Emerald. Fact about this book, so when you're watching the movie or the cartoon or the TV show or whatever of this, please reminder to put the volume to really low because you don't want to burst your ears by hearing this Madame Castafiore singing her soap operas, because when she screams, your eardrums are bursting. Telling by personal experience, it happened to me. I didn't hear my mom calling me from the other side, that much my ears were ringing. Land of Black Gold. The Calculus Affair. Flight 714 to Sydney. King Ottokar's capture. The broken ear. Explorers on the moon. Destination moon. Okay, so we have an opening. Tintin in Tibet. I'll open and show you the book. Okay. The crab with the golden claws. The Secret of the Unicorn. First movie I watched. Tintin and the Picaros. The Red Sea Sharks. Okay, so that's it for this. Please me, this thing is heavy, okay? So here's a closer view, I can't raise it for long. Okay, bring it back here. So these are these. So you can read them, watch them, whatever you want to do. And please take care of the books, of course. And right now, what I have to tell you is subscribe, comment, click that bell icon over there at the bottom and make it red so that you get all the other videos from my channel. Share this with your friends and also you can request me for any other book series that you want. Bye! See you next day with another of my videos. Adios, amigos!